Hi, welcome to this video. Gonna guide you through how to block someone on MacBook. So let me open up the messages here. Let's say you don't want to hear from this person again, right? So what do I do? Simply go to the conversations here at the top, right? You're gonna see show details at the contact, block person. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just block the person, stay on the message, right? So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just double click here to block this person, and it says if you block this user, they will not be able to send messages to you. You can view and change your block contacts in preferences, right? But for now, you want to block this person. You don't want to hear from them again. So hit block, and basically that's it. If you want to delete the message altogether, just swipe left, right? You're gonna see here mute and delete. Just hit delete and double click to confirm that you want to delete this conversation and you don't want to see it again. So consider liking this video, subscribing, it really helps. See you in the next time.